Hello! Welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Quick review and testing lang tayo ng order ni Sir Arnold. Shoutout kay Sir Arnold Lakwata ng La Union, Sir. Shoutout sa inyo dyan. Kumusta po kayo? Ito po ang inyong order, sir, na Hi-Capa 5.1 Type K. Ayan. Gas blowback pistol WE. Ayan. Full metal with full automatic, semi and full automatic siya. This is the switch for semi and full automatic. Pag full auto, baba mo lang yung switch. Pag semi auto, angat mo lang yung switch. So, ayan yung Hi-Capa 5.1. Ayan. Okay. Adjustable rear sight, fixed front sights, with serrations. Pwede nyo rin siyang lagyan ng flashlight. Pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng laser light. Ayan. Threaded barrel, kung gusto nyo lagyan ng tracer units, pwede rin. Suppressor, mga silencer, ganun. Pwede siya lagyan, sir. So, ayan, yung Hi-Capa. Ito naman yung magazine niya, 30 rounds capacity. Ayan. 30 rounds capacity. Okay, with beaver tail safety and manual safety. Check natin, no? Kung gumagana. So, kailangan, bago ma-activate yung manual safety, kailangan nakakasa or nakababa yung hammer. Ayan. Binaba ko yan. Pipitik na. Ngayon, yung other safety features niya, itong beaver tail, ito. Ito. So, pag hindi yan nakapindot, hindi yan engage, kahit pindutin mo ito, kahit kalabitin mo siya, hindi yan, pansinin nyo, hindi pumapalo yung hammer kasi nga hindi engage. So, pagka yan ay engage yan, yan. O, yan. Pansin nyo, pumitik yung hammer kasi nga engage yung beaver tail. So, pag hindi yan nakadiin, kahit anong kalabit mo dyan, hindi yan pipitik. Yan. Yan. Kasi pag hinawakan mo, automatic yan, sir. Madidiinan mo yan. 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 And then, sa kabilang side naman, ito yung switch. Ito yung switch ng semi and full automatic. So, mamaya, ite-testing natin semi-automatic and full automatic. Okay? So, ayan. Hi-Capa 5.1 Type K. Order ni Sir Arnold ng La Union. Okay? So, ngayon, lagyan lang natin ng bibis. Okay. Sir Arnold, thank you for choosing 5th Generation Hobby Shop. So, ito na yung unit mo. 5.1 gas blowback airsoft pistol. So, ayan. So, pag maglalagay kayo ng bala, sir, make sure na alternating yung bala. Walang space, no? And then, pagka mag-charge or magkakarga kayo ng gas, make sure inverted position. Ayan. Kailangan upside down, inverted position. Then, press. Okay. Saglit niyang magkakarga. Okay na po yan. Okay? So, ito yung free nyo, sir. Green gas. Ayan, yung free. Tsaka, 0.23 grams. 4,000 shots po ito. Okay? So guys, pag mag-avail kayo sa amin, 5th Generation Hobby Shop, meron na siyang kasamang gas at bala. Okay? So ayan, sir. Loaded na with gas and BBs. Ayan, yung inyong Hi-Capa 5.1 Type K. Okay, with full automatic. No, ito yung switch. Again, ito yung switch, semi-automatic. Pag binaba mo, full automatic skill. Testing natin mamaya. Okay, Sir Arnold ng La Union. Okay. Thank you, sir, for choosing 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Okay, so now, magte-test fire tayo. Okay, Sir Arnold, ito na. Test fire na natin. Semi-automatic muna, no? Semi-automatic, okay? Pero, check muna natin safety, no? Yan. So, working siya. Ngayon, semi-automatic fire mode tayo. Okay? Firing. Okay, yan yung semi-automatic. Ngayon, pag ibaba mo to, yan. Okay? Switch to full auto na yan. So, okay, full automatic na to. Okay? So, firing. So, ayun yung full automatic. Rapid firing. Okay? So, ayun, Sir Arnold. 5.1 Type K, semi and full automatic. So, ito yung unit mo. Raise the magazine and then alalayan mo lang, sir, para hindi mapudpud agad yung slide stop, slide release mo. Ganyan. And then hammer down. Okay? Sir Arnold ng La Union. Okay? Lakwata. Sir Arnold Lakwata ng La Union. Thank you, sir, for choosing 5th Generation Hobby Shop. 5.1 Type K with full automatic, semi, and full automatic. Okay. So, ayan. Ready to ship na po. If may question, message lang sa aming page. 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Thank you, sir, and have a nice day.